Clippers are a versatile tool that can be used to cut extremely short or varied lengths and textures, as well as to remove large quantities of hair in one cut. Clippers are available in a variety of strengths and functionality. Regardless of the type of clipper, the basic features and maintenance are the same. All clippers are made up of a moving blade, a stationary blade, a heel, the power switch, and some optional features include an adjustment lever and clipper guards. It is important to properly clean your clippers between every guest. To do so, begin by wiping your clippers to remove all visible debris. Next, with the blades open, spray a cleaning solution onto the blades. Wipe off the cleaning solution. To prevent rust, it is important to ensure that all moisture has been removed. With the blades clean, it is time to lubricate them. Proper lubrication will extend the life of your clippers. Use the lubricant provided with your clippers. Place 1 drop on either side of the blades. Then 1 drop on each side of the heel. Turn the clippers on to distribute the oil. Once the oil has been distributed, turn the clippers off and wipe away any excess oil the same way you removed the cleaning solution. Once cleaned and lubricated, store your clippers in a safe place until next use.